It's kept in the Cathedral of Turin in northern Italy. According to tradition, it's the linen cloth that covered the body of Jesus after his crucifixion. But a study done back in 1988 denies this. According to the group who performed a test known as carbon-14, the cloth isn't the Holy Shroud. They concluded it dates between the years 1260 and 1390. But not everyone is convinced of the test results, including Francesca Sarracino. She's the director of the documentary called La Notte della Sindone, which translates to the Night of the Shroud. The story looks into unpublished data that sheds light on the techniques used during the carbon-14 test.
The
results were not reliable, not because of the exam itself, but because of its irregularities. At first, we finished the film in November, but we had to redo it because I found unpublished information that made the test invalid or at least incorrect.
These irregularities can be tainted by competition among different laboratories, or even by a type of prestige. The idea that I want my lab to be the one that says that the Holy Shroud is real or not real, this is something that's very normal, very human.
We found a file that had over 2,000 documents and letters that show that the carbon-14 test is crippled, so to speak, when applied to the shroud. Actions were taken to block some of the research. There were scientists who did everything they could to discredit the research that had been done before and that which would later come forward.
It's a documentary that tries to shed light on the test itself and those who carried it out. To achieve this, the director collected all types of information on the shroud that has come about in the last 23 years. Whether it's the Holy Shroud or a simple sheet, it still remains a mystery.